a great space to be able to brainstorm and execute ideas to their fullest.
I wanted to inspire people in my culture or just people in my community.
I think what makes the Digital Media Lab unique is that it's focused on providing an opportunity for students to create youth culture. Digital Media Lab is a place for students to explore filmmaking, audio production, photography, VFX, and podcasting.
We have so much like hardware, genuine like pianos, like MIDI instruments and plugins especially, that like no other school, very little studios, and very little programs have.
Everybody here is just helpful. If I need help with my photograph, if I need somebody to be a model for me, I can just ask somebody. We're like a big family.
Some students are very interested in blending together several fields.
When I first came here, I was very focused on music, and then I realized I have so much more resources available to me. I recently shot a short film. It was my first time making like a actually like very planned out, longer than like a minute film.
Students that have come through these programs are creating films. They're performing at higher ground. What I'm trying to do is provide them not only with the tools, resources, and ability to collaborate with students from all over the region, but also the opportunity to interface within their community at large.
When I actually came here, I didn't know anything. Basically anything about photography. I asked one of my friends to be a model, and so she was praying, and I took different side of her just praying. I believe the first award I entered was the Scholastic Award. Jason came with the news. He was like, "Yay, you won! You got a golden key."
I have relationships with a lot of different people who are in the media arts community, and they know that if they're looking for high school students for a production, that I'm someone to contact.
I'm gonna record a jazz album with my friends, and that's gonna be my first ever jazz album under my name. I would have never had an opportunity to record in a professional studio.
I'm going to Hofstra for music business, and I definitely think that using Pro Tools here has helped me prepare for a potential job.
The Burlington Technical Center provides students with support, and it provides them with peer collaboration with students from all over the area in a way that is a preparation for potentially going to a college environment, because they're having to leave their sending school, they're having to come to a different place with a lot of other students who are interested in similar things.
I spent half my day at the high school and then half my day at the technical center. They were like, these are the credits that he needs to graduate. How can we fulfill these credits? How can we arrange a schedule that meets graduation requirements?
One of the great parts of BTC is that it gives you opportunities for some things you didn't know you could do.
It's okay to not know like the camera, or just to not know how to use something. It's not only just about working, it's just a place where you can build that community and like have that friendship with the people around you.
Being exposed to all the different materials and resources here can really help you find what you truly want to do.
To learn more about our application process and programs, visit Burlington Technical Center today at btc.bsdvt.org.